Hi guys, I'm Mortice from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of repicking the Union 2234E 5 lever curtained mortice lock. Like I say, I've picked this one before and a couple of other mortice locks, but I'm very new to these. So in previous videos I've not actually taken the faceplate off and shown the levers, so I thought I'd repick this one and show you the levers. Using my ICL picks again. Didn't get a key with this, so you can see that's actually locked up. The reason I didn't take levers out before is obviously because I'm new to these locks, and I also didn't want levers flying around in my kitchen. There we go. I find with this that it's sort of medium tension, and I twitch my fingers now and again to help me set the levers in there. So tension on, and I'll start picking. Go, it's fixed. Let's lock it back up. The picks out. Bit fiddly in the vise. It's not stuck down to the work surface. Right, so you can see the levers there hopefully. Let's try and get these out without them firing everywhere. As I said, I'm very new to these locks. So that's the first lever. Sorry, the autofocus is absolutely rubbish. You can see why I didn't want to do this in other videos. That's the second lever. Third lever. That's easy that way to get it from the back. Fourth lever. Yeah, definitely easier from the back, I think. So that's the fourth. And the final lever. And there it is. So I'm new to mortice locks and new to taking levers out. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, please come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.